I've built so far for my remote control. I had to use another shackle. That's from the 40s also. It doesn't have any threads or nothing in it. It's just a pin. Well, there was a bolt in it when I got it, but just a bolt and nut. But anyways, I'm going to use that. I got to finish it out. It took a lot to figure out exactly what I was going to do. But this is it. This spins. And that's going to rest against the knob. There's going to be a motor right there. A little belt thing. I'll figure it out. But it is what it is. Plus I gotta clean it up and paint it and round the corners and just that kind of stuff. Plus I gotta build 2 tanks. Not for this, just for another job I'm doing. Okay.